Here's your blooper. Hello everyone, I am Chef Tim, and this week on the island we are making a honey-baked smoked turkey and smashed avocado sandwich. Guys, I love this week's recipe because it is a flavor bomb. You've got the smoked turkey paired with the creaminess of the avocado, the slightly spicy Sriracha mayo, and finally the pepperiness of the Arugula all put together, and it creates an amazing sandwich. Let me show you how to make one. For this recipe, you will need the bread of your choice and some avocado, Pepperjack cheese, as well as some honey-baked smoked turkey breast, fresh arugula, some mayo, Sriracha, and fresh lime juice, and then of course, salt and pepper. All right guys, let's build some sandwiches, shall we? So, first things first, let's get our bread toasted. Get that bread into the toaster, and while it's in there, we are gonna make our sauce. We have our mayo, our Sriracha, and our fresh lime juice. We're gonna mix those together. It's gonna create a very nice, zesty mayo for us, and by the time we're done with that, the bread should be done. Okay guys, our bread is toasted. We've got our sauce mixed together, so let's build these sandwiches. To start, let's grab a piece of this toast and then one of these halves of avocado. Scoop out as much avocado as you like and put it right on top of that piece of toast and mash it on top of that with a fork so it's nice and even from side to side. Next, very important, grab a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt and sprinkle those all over that avocado. Really gonna make that flavor pop. Now, moving on. Grab your smoked turkey, 1 or 2 pieces of sliced turkey, put it right on top of that avocado, which will then in turn be topped with the Pepperjack cheese, and then a little bit of arugula, and then finally, you're gonna grab your other piece of toast, and you're gonna grab some of this spicy, but only a little spicy Sriracha mayo, and you're gonna spread that on top of that toast from side to side, and then flip it over and put it right on top of your sandwich. Voila, your sandwich is done. Now, the nice thing about making sandwiches is if you have a picky eater with you, say one of your children or a friend, it's very easy to swap out some of these more aggressive flavors for things that are a little bit more mild. So you can switch out the Pepperjack cheese for Havarti cheese. It's nice and creamy and mild. Or better yet, take the Sriracha out of the mayo and just do a lime mayo, still delicious. Guys, that's it. That's how you make one of my favorite sandwiches. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It's perfect for a hot summer day when you don't want to turn the oven on. See you next time.